Hello accountants and bookkeepers. Ngayon ay magdi-discuss tayo ng bank reconciliation. Paano mag-bank reconciliation using Xero. A quick overview or review lang muna tayo ng definition ng bank reconciliation.
It is the process to confirm that all transactions in your bank accounts are recorded in your business accounting records. The aim of reconciliation in Xero is to match each statement line in the bank account to existing transactions in Xero or create a transaction during the reconciliation process.
Sa undergraduate, tinuruan tayo mag-bank reconciliation which is ginagawa siya monthly or quarterly. Pero dito sa Xero, sa Australian setting, nagbabank reconciliation tayo daily in order for us to update bank records versus our accounting records. Ang kagandahan kasi ng Xero is yung accounting system ng bank is connected sa Xero. Meaning, automatic maglalagay ng mga bank feeds or bank transactions after the end of the day. So for example, yung bank transactions ngayon, lalabas siya as bank feeds bukas sa Xero. Now, this is the diagram that Xero created for you to better understand how to reconcile a transaction. So, sabi ni Xero, ima-match natin yung statement lines from your bank account on the left. So, may statement line doon sa bank account or bank feeds on the left with the transactions you created in Xero on the right. If these are indeed the transactions that the statement lines from your bank account are matched with the transactions created in Xero, you may click OK. I-click mo lang OK and then that is the end of your reconciliation. Step 1 na gagawin natin is i-review natin yung ating bank accounts. So titignan natin kung merong mga reconciling items doon sa iyong bank account. If ever, today is November 24, yung bank feeds na lalabas or yung statement lines na lalabas from your bank account is November 23. Kasi mag-end of day muna si bangko and then after that, it will be feed to Xero para lumabas siya pagkabukas. So ngayong November 24, lalabas yung mga account transactions related to November 23. And then you will be the one to reconcile. What if walang reconciling items na lumalabas sa Xero? There may be reasons why. Baka down yung system ng bangko. For example, ING. Si ING merong systems maintenance kaya hindi sila nakapag-forward ng bank feeds sa Xero. So yun yung isang rason. After makakita ka ng mga reconciling items, this is the time for you to match it with existing transactions. So, punta ka lang sa dashboard ng Xero and then you scroll down a little bit and you will see your business bank account na merong reconciling items. So, nakalagay dito, reconcile 27 items. I-click mo lang yan and then lalabas yung tab na reconcile. Doon natin i-reconcile yung mga statement lines hanggang maubos siya. So, sa isang statement line, for example, Ridgeway University, 0025, yung invoice niya, yung may reference siya kung anong invoice. And then, meron tayong existing account transaction, Ridgeway University on the right, reference invoice 0025. So, sigurado ka na kasi may reference and then exact yung amount. Sige, okay mo lang siya and then it will be reconciled already. Ganun lang siya kadali. But what if there is no reference in the description on the bank feed? So, sa isang statement line, for example, itong Ridgeway University, wala siyang reference number. You may request remittance advice from those na nagbayad. Para mas ma-realize natin, no, let us go to the demo company ni Xero and then we'll try to reconcile other reconciling items. So, mag-reconcile tayo ng mga statement lines. So, let's go to Xero. For example, dito, mag-example tayo ng Brookstone Property Management. And then, makikita mo more details wala siyang binigay na reference number. So we need to contact Rockstone Property Management. And if we had indeed confirm na sila yung nagbayad, and then may existing na tayo na account transactions, you'll just click OK. So after nun, reconcile na siya. Ganun lang kadali mag-reconcile ng bank sa Xero. Another example is Gateway Motors. Kinontak natin si Gateway Motors. Nagbigay siya ng remittance advice. And then, we had confirmed na sa kanila talaga yung payment. Just click OK kasi may existing transaction na siya. The step 3, kung walang match transaction is we will create a transaction. This is most likely applicable sa mga bank fees. Kasi sa bank fees, hindi naman natin alam na chinarjan na pala tayo ni bangko ng bank fee or bank charges. So we will just create a transaction. How to create a transaction? Under the right side, katabi nung match, merong create. We will just answer who, sino yung nagbayad, what, anong bank account yung gagamitin natin, and then why. Why this transaction happened. So this is a bank fee, you just encode it or comment na bank fee siya. So after nun, makakreate ka ng transaction, bear in mind na may corresponding tax implication siya. So this is a bank fee, this should be tax exempt or BAS excluded. Okay? Kasi hindi siya nasa subject sa tax. Tax exempt transaction siya. So, you just click OK kung naka-tax exempt na. And then, that's it. Itong Ridgeway Bank fee ulit, this is an example sa demo company. Nilagay niya who, sino yung nagbayad, Ridgeway Bank, what, anong account yung gagamitin, why, description lang natin dito is bank fee. Then, tax exempt naman siya. Region, wala namang region, tax exempt, and then if sure ka na dyan, i-click mo lang okay. Another option, kung hindi siya pwedeng mag-create ng transaction doon, wala siyang match transaction, baka naman kasi transfer of money lang siya between one bank to another bank. Ibang account numbers lang yung ginamit niya. So this is a transfer transaction. So, paano mag-transfer ng transaction? For example, itong classic example natin, e-bank deposit. Si e-bank deposit, kinonfirm natin kasi lumabas din siya sa isang bank account as reconciling item, same amount, and then the same date. Tinignan natin sa bangko and na-confirm natin na isa siyang transfer from one account to another account. Dahil sure na tayo dyan, we will just select transfer and you just select that bank account na tra-transferan natin or transferan natin and you may put reference. We'll just click OK and then OK na yan siya. And then the last option, kung hindi ka talaga sigurado kung transfer of money siya, statement line ba siya, or you match it with existing transaction, wala namang existing transactions, and you are not really sure kung anong account transaction siya, you leave a comment lang or discuss it with your supervisor. Paano maggamit ng discuss na option sa Xero? For example, itong Parkside Kiosk na 10.50. You are not sure kung anong transaction ba yan, walang existing transactions, and this is not a transfer of account. You have to discuss or leave a comment lang. So for example, not sure how to code this. Hindi ka sure kung paano siya i-code. You'll just leave it as indicated sa discussion and then save. So pag makita na yan ni supervisor, you ask for help or for clarification paano siya i-reconcile. Okay? That's the process of reconciliation.